The northeastern part of the United States is subject to changing sea levels in the future as climate change is caused by our overuse of fossil fuels. The sea level rise is particularly due to a glacial isostatic adjustment, which, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, is the continuous movement of land that was once burdened by ice age glaciers. Since the last ice age was only 16,000 years ago, this is an active phenomenon causing sea level rise in much of the northern hemisphere, particularly in the northeastern United States. The Northeast also experiences sea level rise because of changes in the Gulf Stream and reductions in the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, which the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration explains as the northward flow of warm, salty water in the upper layers of the Atlantic Ocean and southward flow of colder water in the deeper part of the ocean. This transports a significant amount of heat from the tropics toward the North Atlantic, where the heat is transferred to the atmosphere. If this circulation was completely collapsed as a result of varying environmental factors, which is still viewed as unlikely, at least for the 21st century, there could be regional sea level rise up to 0.5 meters. This threatens communities in the Northeast, especially coastal communities, because rising sea levels correlates with flooding. Some preventative measurements have been taken in some of the northeastern states. For example, the Sea Bright Monmouth Beach seawall along the Jersey Shore was created to protect the nearby communities from rising sea levels and harsh natural disasters that climate change will exacerbate.